My name is Linda. I'm happy to be here and I'm from Malaysia.
We love the environment. We are very active in trying to eradicate plastic and we are here to make sure this happens today. Very happy to be here and well done for the project. Mia Mia.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm from South Africa, happy to be here and participate with the help of the Eastern Province Municipality.
السلام عليكم، معكم أخوكم أحمد من فريق البحرية للغواص التطوعي. حبيت أشكركم على هالفعالية يا أمانة المنطقة الشرقية.
Thank you Immaطة for inviting Idea Europe, Philippines. We are a group of scuba divers who are really appreciate to participate on this cleanup drive. باسم معالي أمير المنطقة الشرقية المهندس